good way to. It's a good place to come to get your bearings because you can see it all. And you even see a cruise ship or two.
Yeah, I can see that.
They're just waiting to come into the port.
Where is the port? Oh, okay, down there. So they're kind of just sitting there and they're just waiting in their.
Maybe there'll be a place where you won't complain further down.
Here we go. On Sunday. Here we go.
On Mother's Day, there was four of them and everything was ocean. And so I wanted to put up the four of them. I took the photo and I said, wait.
Usually they're cold. Yeah, usually you're right? And usually I had my hoodie and I'm like, oh.
No water coming down here today.
No.
I wonder. Yeah, I don't people who afford these houses. I don't see them as being bus commuters.
Look at that line. Like, what the hell? Like, one more.
So you made it this far, yeah.
Yeah, right? It's like, geez, you're such a deep.
Have a lot of them here
Do
too?
you have a lot of eagles?
Oh
Oh,
yeah,
I'd like to see one.
lots of eagles. See, they just keep building and building and building higher and higher. I think this is further than it used to go. Right? We didn't used to go this far, did we? They've
Yeah, I think they've opened it up a bit, yeah.
yeah. So I don't know how much further we want to go. We'll go to that where that lady is and then turn around, I guess.
Sure.
How is so massive?
Yes,
Like,
they're
I don't even know who's buying them.
like a steak. They're like right here, steak.
Yeah, they're not.
The 1%ers.
Yeah, they're not housing a bunch
I mean,
of
this
people.
it's pretty, it's beautiful, but who could, yeah, like, who, how?
Yeah.
I'd like to know. And it's very pretty.
Yeah, it keeps going. That's good to know. It keeps going. We won't do that, no.
Hate those candid shots? No, never mind your candid shot. Oh, I hit him with the badge. Yeah, that's right.
Sacred blue.
The sacred blue.
Language. For Melissa.
Fun enough, I have to Google sometimes when you guys speak to me in French. Like, what the heck is that? Google Translate.
Oh, that's neat.
It's so beautiful.
What is
Especially our little cottage down there.
The end of the road here too? Up here, I bet?
That road
No.
just does a
This
circle.
road.
Oh, does it? Goes that way? Okay.
And back up, yeah. This is just
Look, was that a little tugboat or something? Now we want to see whales and seals, right?
Yeah.
No. There's a pathway here we can take. Nice cactus.
And then I look at them later and believe the ones that are good.
That's not good for you, buddy.
The last time I was here, remember when we went myself for dinner, we walked by the water? I saw those kangaroos were bigger here. I have a picture. I saw your crows were bigger. That was a big bird. Yeah.
Oh, the Disney cruise is here. That's nice. And that's that new passenger only ferry that takes you from here to downtown Nanaimo. That's express. But it's not cheap. Yeah. There's that river. They let lots. Look how busy it is though. A lot of people take it. Look at all the people coming into the hockey game. Look how small the sea bus looks next to the cruise ship. It'd be so noisy.
Oh yeah, it was so cool.
Well, we can do it if you want.
I'd do that in a heartbeat. And a helicopter.
Well, why don't you?
It's usually too expensive.
Gonna crash into that pillar. I have no depth perception at all.
I thought of definitely like. That's too cool.
Oh, that Donald.
Oh, they're reloading stuff too, cargo and stuff, or putting people on. Like there's luggage.
Food and beverage. They do.
The other one that's really impressive is like that largest one.
Which doesn't fit under the bridge, probably.
I'm not kidding you. I mean, it's crazy.
Oh, Woolworths back in the day. You know what I still miss? It's gonna sound crazy. Sears.
Oh, Sears.
Sears.
Yeah.
I loved Sears.
Yes, yeah, me too.
Or if you just want to go on a 3-hour boat ride up there, it's stairs. That's an air ambulance. It's not a tour boat, it's an ambulance. Where's that? Oh yeah, it's not worth it. There's also a lot of countryside too where there's not. Yeah, here's the subject.
Okay. Snow on the mountains.
Oh yeah.
Lego looking orca.
Yeah, if we hiked up there, you'd see it. Oh yeah, this Lego.
That's a thigh burner.
It's nice. that's obviously the
When was that?
2010. So that's what they built. That new
Never been, never had anybody rob them.
I think you're fatter than the one
Looks
down
nice enough
home.
in downtown.
Just think so, and you're not really afraid.
Oh gosh.
Just come on.
Yeah, that's not the safest place.
Come on,
You
Mr.
coming for a walk with us, buddy?
Yeah, come on, mister.
Come on, I'll take you home. You can play with Mr. Cuddles.
Yeah, oh boy. Not sure how that would go, but okay.
Make sure you stick to the right here.
Right. Stick to the right. Right.
Where we going?
No, this way out right.
That's left.
Oh, right on.
Dad says that about Mom all the time. And she knows what she means, but she always says the opposite. Correct. Oh, good. You think it'll.
Oh, I always do.
There's your boat.
I do too.
Well, it's fun with my family, but if you have somebody.
I hate someone sleeping on the end though, because I need to get up. Like I'm.
Well, it was hard.
Yeah,
like,
I have to be able to
how-
get out.
So there.
Yeah.
So just in the center of the semicircle, there's a pink
Oh, I see it. Yeah.
starfish. Fun. Oh yeah, this is gonna be the picture.
Yeah. He's
That's gonna be a good picture, Aiden.
He's posing. He's posing.
Supermodel right there.
Yep. He's posing. He
Did you
wants.
zoom?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, so cute.
Yeah, I wasn't filming when he was landing, unfortunately.
He's not as big as the one in Chili's yard.
They does what?
Well, then maybe he'll fly away.
He's as big as the one in
Now we've
Chili's yard.
ruffled his feathers.
Yeah, I'm pretty impressed.
I never thought it would have.
Look at him strutting his stuff along there. See? He's posing for the camera.
See, that's how I was walking earlier
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
beach. They always look like they're sneaking up on something, which
Yeah.
they are.
And it's really nice. It's wicked smart when it comes to books.
Oh boy.
And man, he went
Boy, I should have had my extra strength deodorant on that day.
Question. Oh yeah. But he wasn't telling us all.
Mom, you want to wait in the car, or can you handle this
Why would
while
I
we do
live
this?
in the car?
It's too tiring. Do you want to come?
Oh!
It's perfect.
I'll crack the window.
Yeah, crack the window.
Well, isn't that lovely of
And
you
leave
to
you
crack
water?
the window? That's very lovely of
Well,
your
she doesn't
son.
like Granville Island.
Oh.
Planting that in White River.
Put my name on it. Memory
Right,
of the
and we got
Edwards.
things like they're real modern.
And look at the cacti they put in there with Mickey Mouse.
Oh
They
yeah,
look like
yeah.
Mickey Mouse.
You think it would survive? It's already dressed with a coat on
Right,
it.
there you go.
We got one little couple of cactuses.
Right, it's kind of weird, eh? Like rough, coarse hair.
Yeah.
Hey. Oh dear, here we go. How about I take a picture with you and everybody?
Well, it's like when the view person trying to fly it.
Nice try, Melissa. You were trying to get out of that.
Oh
Didn't
my
work.
God, I got.
The patterns.
That's a crowded boat today.
Yeah.
Scared?
No, I'm not scared.
Where's your PFD?
Flotation device. That's cool, that pirate boat.
You'd be scared.
You'd be scared?
How? Do you know how many kilometers?
I don't know, actually. I should.
Yes.
I'm sure that's a quick
I know.
Google search.
quick Google search.
Yeah, the only good news was at least you
Well, that's the good thing with
So-
if you do the bike share. We do sometimes with you don't necessarily.
Well, yeah, because you were getting the corporate rate.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had great weather.
Mother's Day's good day.
Yeah.
We didn't come in here. We came in this water, but over there.
Okay, so we walked all the way through here and back around?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Do you know how many kilometers? We were just talking about, I said, like,
It's a lot.
it's
How
a
long
good,
would it
it's a
take
good
you to bike
Google
around?
search. Quick.
Yeah, it's a
I don't know.
Maybe bike
3
around.
hours?
It's the longest in the world, so it's definitely going to show up online.
Yeah.
Yeah,
To let you know.
Yeah, I just wondered how long if you biked it.
I just don't want to walk off the pier here, right?
What's the spot? Oh, they got the right idea here.
28 kilometers.
28 I was going to say 21, 22, so good guess. 28 kilometers.
I like the modern one better.
Yeah. It's yeah.
Well, they have a rooftop deck, so they're doing okay on that
Oh,
one.
yeah.
The Lego building, yeah. I know.
Right?
Tetris building, or it's pretty cool. I like it. I like it because it's different. Because for years they all looked exactly the same, so at least this one's a bit different.
On top there, then it gets skinny.
And it's twisted too. It's not.
Yeah. Yeah, right
What do
here.
you mean?
Yeah,
Okay.
So what they want from us?
ice cream.
Oh.
I'm left with a mess.
Smooth.
Two.
No pressure. No pressure. No pressure.
Okay. Not loose yet. No.
Right?
That helps.
There were a couple of hairy ones there you missed.
There was some scary ones.
You didn't stay away long enough.
Right now it's kind of leaning this way, so
It is a little bit this way, yeah. Just a wee bit.
Yeah.
it's definitely gonna fall towards me.
It's looking like that building in downtown Vancouver.
Yeah.
We're starting to do it
Kind of a little bit of
We
curve.
called it the Lego building. It should be the Jenga building.
No.
It's so stressful.
None of these are loose. They're not loose.
I know, right? They're not
What
moving.
about this one?
Oh, this one.
Oh, that's a cop out.
That is a cop out.
You're gonna be able to sleep with yourself tonight.
That was an easy move. Jeez Louise.
Jeez,
That's
you went
getting
fast
really,
with that.
really
Sometimes you
delicate.
just gotta. That's fine now.
It'll never work.
Jesus Christ.
Did you give up?
No,
Wait till
What about the one under that?
it's not gonna work.
Yeah, that one.
yeah, that one's probably alright. Alright, we're getting there.
Alright, Winter.
I don't think it's possible.
Yeah. Yeah.
least you
Why?
got a napkin.
Why is it
It's
mine?
your fault for taking up that one a few hands ago.
Yeah. It was all going well till then.
Yeah.
And this one, some of them don't move.
And this one's no good. Oh, it's gotta be one of these three.
Yeah, kind of.
Wow, it got wobbly.
I know.
Oh, Lord, look at that.
It's pretty stuck, actually.
Yours now? Oh, Lord.
I want to put it over here, I think.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
Oh,
You can.
do whatever you want.
can do whatever you
I'll
want.
do here, I guess. Try and balance it or something.
Well, this one's gotta be able to.
Yeah? It's not gonna move. I tell you. They're stuck.
Oh boy.
Oh, here we go.
Oh boy. I can see like Adrian and do like this one.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
personally only see two that's working.
I was gonna do that one.
That
there
one's
you
really
go.
loose.
Sometimes you knock it all down just.
Just putting it on.
Placing it down. Oh, God. You're not going to be able to do it anyway, so there's no chance.
That's what you said 3 hands ago, Cal.
Calvin's
There's
pen.
nothing you can do. That one
Just hush.
possibly.
Just hush yourself.
Possibly.
You can't even get the friggin' thing out.
What's really precarious right now
It's
is this one
that.
here.
It's that one right there.
This one's like in the.
We're on the edge.
Oh yeah, he's not even in the middle.
It's not even in the middle.
Not even in the middle.
No. I don't know how it got like that.
Some jackass.
I give up.
Come on, you can't just give up.
No, the only time you give up is when it's all come crashing down.
And it could happen any given moment in time. And it could
Watch
be
your
me.
beer.
And it could be me that it could be me that does it.
We hope it goes that way, not that way. Are you coming over here?
I need a better view.
Oh boy.
I need a different angle.
Out of the damage.
Yeah, I would get out
before all the
quickly.
glasses break.
Because
Yeah.
this could go down south really, really fast.
How was everything, guys?
Good, very good.
Why won't they freaking move?
All you see is the camera just goes. And then the girl actor's like.
What about this one? Oh, okay.
They won't freaking move.
No?
Normally do 20 clips.
Shit, like they won't. I can't get them to. Okay, I'm going over the other side.
You're not going to give up? What about this one here?
I can't give up.
It won't come out. I already tried. It won't move.
Yeah, it might be holding on.
Yeah.
I think the cheesy way on doing these ones.
Yeah, right?
Can you do that too?
Oh, you can, but I don't like that top.
Yeah, the top.
Right.
It's kind of precarious.
Right.
I think it's safer to go in the middle. But you're not supposed to hang
That's
on.
not gonna work.
You're not supposed to hang on to them either.
There you go.
Oh no.
No, that's going to fall down.
For
Yeah,
sure.
that'll fall down. It's going to fall over towards the first.
Now just settle yourself.
I am.
Yeah, that's coming down for sure.
No, just
100%.
settle
100%.
yourselves. Just
Don't
settle.
freak out.
Just settle
Hit it with the other
yourself.
hand.
That wasn't quite the.
It wasn't a full.
Only a quarter of it.
Okay, we're settled.
Maybe fall on the floor.
No,
Only a quarter of it fell off.
I've never seen part of it fall. It always all falls.
Yeah, you got lucky.
Weird.
Shit. These ones aren't going anywhere. Damn it all the hell. Well, see, that's what happens when it all falls, but it's supposed to should all fall down.
Yeah, it's supposed to fall.
Not just a quarter.
Ah, well, we tried.
This guy.